Hello everyone, my name is Julie D'Alessandri, and I will be discussing the reintroduction of American shad in the James River, Virginia. Historically, American shad migrated up to 250 miles upstream in the James River. By the 18th century, American shad had become one of the leading commodities. However, increased dam construction and habitat alteration prevented the species from reaching historic migration and spawning locations. By 1980, the state of Virginia began restoration efforts, primarily focusing on the construction of fish passage facilities in the three major dams located on the river. Virginia Department of Game and Inland Fisheries began a restoration program in 1992 that reintroduced millions of hatchery-raised shad into the upper James River. Once the final fish passage opened in 2002, the state was confident that the American shad population would thrive. However, in 2003, only 200 fish migrated through the fish passages, and less than 50 were recorded in 2008. In 2017, decades of steady decline in the American shad population resulted in Virginia Department of Game and Inland Fisheries to close their restoration program. Figure 1 shows the James River Management Area. Several stations labeled on the figure depict where American shad movement is commonly monitored in addition to the river's major tributaries. These tributaries are frequently used to observe and illustrate historic patterns of American shad movement. The James River is comprised mostly of sand, mud, and/or gravel, with occasional rock pools along the banks. Natural oyster reefs also support critical habitats. Riparian forests support bank stabilization. Several species of submerged aquatic vegetation support water quality and habitats as well. The James River is an essential ecosystem to several species of mussels and oysters, and over 50 species of fish, including the endangered Atlantic sturgeon, non-native blue catfish, and river herring. In 1994, a moratorium or a suspension on the taking of American shad in the Chesapeake Bay and its tributaries was established. And due to the steady decline of the American shad population, in 2005, a moratorium on the taking of American shad off the Atlantic coast was established. Although the Virginia Department of Game and Inland Fisheries' near 30-year restoration program saw little growth, future measures are necessary for continued progress towards the reintroduction of American shad populations in the James River. Future measures may include agricultural measures to assist in best management practices to cover crops and protect livestock from streams, wastewater treatment measures to allow for upgrades due to population increase, watershed protection measures to support anti-pollution procedures, and dam removal measures for habitat restoration. As stated by the Virginia Department of Game and Inland Fisheries, the road to recovery for Virginia's American shad populations will be a long and difficult one.